Hello, little boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you having a good day today? Can you say hello? Hmm. Hi, Ace. You're such a good boy today.